Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Bitcoin. Once again, thank you for your continued support, okay? Really do appreciate it. Just going to do some quick summary on Bitcoin right there, because everyone's really fearful, aren't they? Everyone's really scared at the moment. But honestly, I'm seeing no signs of a bear market at the moment, okay? I just think that we've got overextended. This is my full analysis. This is my full review. I don't think we're in a bear market. I think that we've got a little bit greedy, a little bit overextended. We've come back to reality, okay? We're holding support relatively well before continuation in the bull market, okay? And like I've said to you, you've got projections of 200k Bitcoin, okay? And I do anticipate that in this bull market we will get there, okay? There is a key level of support which we do need to hold for the short term, obviously, because if we do lose that level of support right there, this is where you could see Bitcoin sort of roll over and come lower than it is at the moment. So I will show you that key level of support for Bitcoin. Obviously, I just want to reassure you that a lot of people down here, when we had this rollover event last March, obviously is fully aware with the Corona dump right there, and we came back down and look at the wick getting supported, and was forming some kind of horizontal bear flag just there. Bear pennant, sorry, just there, and we're going to go to oblivion, we're going to go to zero, we're going to go to the previous low, we're going to go down to 3k, and look at that Bitcoin just week after week after week, picked up, see you later alligator, off it went and got back above the 20. As soon as it got back above the 20, it never looked back, did it? Look at that, it got back above that 20 week EMA just there, boom, see you later, gone. Buy and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid just there, look at that. So right now, is Bitcoin on the verge of doing something like this again? Everyone's fearful, everyone's really bearish, everyone's saying it's going to go to 20k or whatever like that, okay? And potentially it could do, but I'm just giving my scenario here that personally I think that if we can hold a key level of support, I'm going to show you that in a minute, but if we hold that, this is where you could start to see Bitcoin in the month of June, the boom will resume. Remember I was saying that last week at the end of May, and obviously in July Bitcoin will fly. And I do honestly believe that we are in Elliott wave theory right here, okay? And that's a previous chart, but obviously you've got wave 1, you've got wave 2, and this was wave 3, massive wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5 up here at 200k. And this is basically it. I won't go too deep into each wave or the ABC correction right there, but personally I think Bitcoin's have an A, B, C correction right there on the weekly. You can see the top there, A, B, C, and now it's starting to pick up. As long as you hold support, don't go short. That's what I'm trying to say to you. Now, a lot of people obviously are really bearish, aren't they? The bear pennant, okay? And you got to look at it and think, yeah, okay, but look at each time. Just look at the chart. Okay? Each time we have a really big sell-off, what happens? We pick up, don't we? Do you see this? We sell off, pick up, sell off, pick up, sell off, pick up, sell off, pick up. And what do? We always come back above the 20 EMA on the weekly, don't we? Look, big sell-off. At least we came back above the 20. Right now, you can see we've not come back above the 20. So at least, see the 20 retest out. If you're going to be a bear, do anticipate that we're going to come back up, get back above 20. If we start to come back up and get above the 20 again, and then fall below that and start to lose market structure right there for Bitcoin, then I'm still bullish. And this is why I say I'm bullish until I get the signals. And at the moment, I'm not getting any signals that are telling me that we're in a bear market. We've got overextended, we're having a correction, we're holding support, job done. Now, what the worst case scenario here for me personally is if we do start to pick up, we come back over 20, and we like that for a couple of weeks, and we lose it. Okay, yeah, right. We've got to take that seriously, because just here, this sell-off here, the end of the bull market, so to speak, just here, we had this V-shaped crash. Okay, we came back up, got back up for 20. No. Yeah, if I start to see some structure like that lost here for Bitcoin in this recovery, because it will recover. You can see, recovered, just here, recovered, just here, recovered. Just here, crash, recovered, got back above the EMAs. This is what you're looking for. And people think that Bitcoin's going down here to zero, mate. No. It's not. Rest assured it's not. Okay, I've not got a crystal ball, but it's not. In the crashes here as well. Look at this particular end of the bull market just here, where Bitcoin crashed. It went down, come back up above the 20, rolled back below, see you later alligator, it was gone. So you can see it's not done that yet, and this is what I'm waiting for my signal for the bear market, okay? And the bear market is the bear market. You've not lost market structure at the moment, okay? You're holding the 55, potentially going to get back up over 20, hold the 20, see you later alligator. Bitcoin's off, isn't it, to 200k. So right now I told you that key support level that Bitcoin can't lose, okay? you can't see Bitcoin lose this key support. I'm going to show you this right now. It's on a daily time frame. If you do start to see Bitcoin lose this key level of support, then obviously we're looking at a further sell-off for Bitcoin right here, okay? So this is Bitcoin on the daily time frame. As you can see, we've got this level of resistance just here, which I've told you about so many times, okay? A lot of people are drawing these bear flags and pennants, myself included, but personally, the wicks invalidate that for me. You've got support, you've got resistance, and it really is that simple, okay? Forget the pennants at the moment that you're seeing. Just think about support and resistance, and this is what we've got. We've got this key level of resistance right here for Bitcoin, okay? Roughly that sort of area, and we've got this key level of support right here for Bitcoin. Now, personally, if we see either one of these broken, then this is where you're looking for the reversal. If you start to see Bitcoin close below 34663, go short. If you start to see Bitcoin close above 39176, go long, okay? And this is what we're anticipating. This is this level of consolidation that Bitcoin is doing right now, like this. Boom, 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 hitting its head, hitting its ass. These are all tradable events, by the way. You can see that once Bitcoin comes down here, go long. Once Bitcoin goes here, go short. And potentially it could get like this for a few weeks to a month. Who knows? But as soon as you start to break this resistance, yes, get back above these EMAs. See you later, alligator. Continuation. Obviously, if you do start to see it lose this key level of support right here, because you can see it's closing, opening, closing, opening. Ignore the wicks at the minute. That's noise. Just ignore the wicks at the moment, okay? Let's look at the key levels that Bitcoin's holding and resisting, okay? This is what's important at the moment. So again, if you do start to see Bitcoin come down here and bounce off this, put a cheeky long in, because this is where you could see Bitcoin come back up, hit its head, go short, hit its ass, go long. Do you get what I'm saying? Basically, opportunities here, and this range is actually very, very tradable for Bitcoin. So right now, if it does start to come down, put a cheeky bid in there to go long. Again, not financial advice. If it holds it, you're looking at a lovely 12% upside for Bitcoin. And again, if it starts to hit its head on that level of resistance right there, put a cheeky short in. We have 11% right there, okay? I'm ignoring the pennants at the moment because they seem to be invalidated. For me, there's some sort of, I don't know, consolidation at play here, or some kind of manipulation. I don't know what's going on, but the pennants are not, they're not like, there was one here, it broke out here, didn't it? And then it went up and hit its head and come back. Just here, it's broken out that pennant on the daily. I'm seeing it all across the board that it's broken out, and you can see it's sort of coming down. It's had a little wick there, and if it was to come down, look for the close, okay? Look for the bounce at this particular level. Like I said to you, if it loses that support, then yeah, I'm going to be sort of biased towards the fact that, okay, you're going to come back down and go deeper, okay? But I'm not thinking about that at the moment. Hold support, hold resistance, channel in between at the moment. Once one of them's broken, then yeah, take advantage of that situation, because if this is broken as resistance, put a nice long in, okay? Because like I said to you, you're going to come back up and potentially create that inverse head and shoulders. Well, I won't go through that right now because the video's got really long. I do apologise. And obviously, if we do start to go short, then you've got to move to the left. And like I've said to you so many times, target swing lows, okay, and target swing highs. You've got the swing high there, okay, and then you've got a swing high there. And they're just areas in which you see bounces, okay? You'll see bounces. So if Bitcoin was to do something like that, it would bounce there and then bounce there, and that's what you do. That's what you do. I've shown you that on the channel multiple times, okay? So at the moment, you're caught between resistance and support, and this is what matters most for Bitcoin. You can see ever since it's broken down, it's lost that, hasn't it? So that's basically it. Little update for you on Bitcoin at the moment. I ain't drawing no pennants on Bitcoin or patterns at the moment. I can just see you're caught between support and resistance. Key resistance, key support. That's it. Take care, everyone. We'll be back tomorrow with another Bitcoin update. Stay strong, stay healthy, stay tuned. Bye-bye.